Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Word and I'm going to show you how to use the filler or random text generator and the translator. The filler and random text generator comes in handy if you are doing graphic design or you're doing some kind of content project and you don't need specific content, but you need something that looks like paragraphs and sentences and words. So that's what this can be used for. So what we want to do from a blank screen is hit equal rand, open and close parentheses, and enter. And as you see, it pops up some canned text that Word has built in. So we can also tell this that we only want a certain number of paragraphs and each paragraph to only contain a certain number of sentences. So how we do that is equal rand, open parentheses, and your paragraph's going to be first. So I'm going to say I want 3 paragraphs with 2 sentences in each paragraph. Close parentheses and hit enter. And there you have 3 paragraphs with 2 sentences. We can let's say we want to do rand, open, 3 paragraphs, 1 sentence each. And there you have 3 paragraphs and 1 sentence. The other thing that you can do is you can create text in Latin. You've probably seen a Latin placeholder before if you've been to a new website, gotten a new application, you're building a website. Sometimes in Facebook in the Impresium it'll have it in there, and it says lorem ipsum, and that is Latin for basically placeholder. So what we can do to put that in here is do equal lorem, open close parentheses, and there you have the Latin. And I use this sometimes if I have a bunch of content, and rather than having a bunch of highlighted areas with nothing in them or putting a letter or putting something, I will put the Latin version in there as a placeholder so I can easily go back and find what I need to change. And the same rules apply to this as far as being able to define the number of paragraphs and the number of sentences. So we can do equal lorem, and we can tell it 3 paragraphs, 1 sentence each. Enter. And there, starting with lorem ipsum, 1, 2, 3, 1 sentence each. Word also has a built-in translator. And what we want to do is let's highlight the text that we want to translate, right click, and hit the translate button. So it defaults to English here, but let's say you had text over here and you didn't know what language it was. You can copy and paste it into here and hit Autodetect, and Word will work to figure out what language it is and then default it here. If we scroll down, I've set this up to translate into Spanish, but we have a bunch to choose from. We can do Russian, we can do Vietnamese, we can also type things in. Say I wanted Chinese. We can do traditional Chinese, and there's your translation. If we wanted Japanese, we can do that. But I'm going to go back to Spanish and show you what else you can do. So say I wanted to, right below this, I wanted the Spanish translation. If we scroll down and we see this insert button, if we click it, it's going to insert that text where we had our cursor. So it's going to automatically insert it into your document. So that is how you use the filler or random text generator and the translator within Word. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.